How to delete Instagram account. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's video I will show you how you can permanently delete your Instagram account. So you just want to make sure to watch this video till the end. Now if you are on iPhone, deleting the Instagram account can be possible from within the application. So assuming that you're using an iPhone, you would have to open up the Instagram app, come to your profile page, tap on the three dots on the top right corner and then go to settings. And once you go to the account option within settings, over here you'll be able to find the option called delete account. But since you're on Android like me, let's say, for that case, in order to delete our account, we have to open up our browser. And once we open up our browser, we just want to go to instagram.com and make sure we are logged into our account. And then come to our profile page again, and from instagram.com app, come to our profile page. And after you do that, tap on the settings or the gear icon on the top left. Once you tap on the gear icon on the top left hand side of the screen, here you'll find the option called help. So just go to help center, and once we go to help center, just go to help center again. And once we do that, in the search box you just want to search for the keyword called delete account. So once you search for a keyword called delete account, you'll be able to see a list of various search results. Just select the first option, that says delete your Instagram account, and as you tap on that one, right over here you can see instagram.com from a mobile browser. So open this up, and here it says go to the delete your account page. So just tap on this little button that says delete your account. Once you tap on the delete your account page, it will take you to a page where you can delete your account. But first, enter why you are trying to delete your account. So I'll just select any of the reasons over here, and after you do that, you have to enter your password. And right after you enter your password, tap on the delete account button. You have to enter your password because this is done to verify that the person trying to delete the account is the owner himself or not. And that's all it takes to delete your Instagram account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.